Hey guys, welcome to our channel Nash and Teresa. Today we're gonna take you to a train trip direction to Austria in a České Dráhy train. This train is the most popular train in Czech. Last time we showed you Regiojet, which is, I would say, maybe one level up, but this one is express, so maybe it will be same level of quality. So join our journey, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments below. The connection we are taking today is from Prague to Český Krumlov. The price for 2 adults was 338 crown. Kids up to I think 5 years are for free. There's 2 ways how to buy the tickets. Either you can go to website and buy it up front, that's cd.cz. But if you type in Google České Dráhy, it will guide you there. And you can either create your profile, which I recommend, or you can just buy it one time through your email address. There you can also choose place where you want to sit. Or you can buy it either in advance or in a train. In train it's slightly more expensive. I'm not sure if you can pick really seats. I usually really prefer online version.
When you enter the train, there's a section to hold your bicycles or large items. Then you have the 4 sections which are for the second class. So this one is a child-friendly one, which is where we are sitting. There's no toys or TV. And then there's the cubicles, which can hold up to 6 people. To sit in this place, it's best to have a reservation. Then you have the open space carriage, where you also just have Wi-Fi. And then there's another last section, which is for anyone without a reservation if the other carriages are full. In this trip, I saw only 3 people in the whole carriage, with most cubicles empty. And this leads me to the first class section, which is normally costing twice the price. And it's split in 2, with one half of the carriage, which is for sitting, and another half of the carriage, which serves as a restaurant. So I just quickly popped into the first class section. So they have nice comfy chairs, made from leather, and it's pretty soft. The only thing I don't like about this train is there's no entertainment center. There's nothing like you get on Regiojet. And the other thing is they do have Wi-Fi, so you can at least browse without using your data. And the other thing is in this first class section, that's where you get the bar. So the bar is just right here. And I was so disappointed that it's closed because I wanted to get a drink or like just some coffee or juice or whatever, but it's completely closed. There's no service on this train line, so you cannot get like croissants or anything. So that was very, very disappointing. The only interaction we had with the people working here was for checking the tickets, and that was it. I'm quite disappointed that there's no entertainment, no service, no magazine, nothing. Quickly talking about what other things you get in terms of first class. So each seat has a power socket, so you can plug in a computer or your charger, and then you also got a USB hub, so you can also charge your mobile devices via USB. And the other thing is on each chair you got like a light, so you can switch on some lights if you wanna read. And I also noticed something cool is that you have automatic possibility to lower some blinders. So if there's too much light coming in, you can just lower down the blinders, or it's affecting other people you're sitting with. But that's pretty nifty, it's automated, so that's pretty cool.
Morning again. So now we are on the way back to Prague. We're gonna experience another journey with Ceske Drahy, and we're gonna show you how the train looks like on the way back, and we will see if there's any differences, and then we do the conclusion in the end of the journey. So you can join us again.
Yeah, I hope it's gonna be open on the restaurant and cafe because it was closed last time.
Yeah, last time it was closed, so maybe the journey back to Prague it's gonna be open. We will see. far we noticed that there is entertainment in this train as well. There is some magazines, then there is free Wi-Fi and adapters for your computer or for your phone, which is a good advantage. That's not normally in Czech trains, the typical old Czech trains. So that's a thumbs up.
Yeah, and you also got some blinds in case the sun hits your face.
Yes,
yeah.
looks like there's air conditioning as well. Hopefully it will work. You can actually control it yourself. You don't have to wait for someone to do it for you. That's what we usually do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least the cafe was finally open, so I'm so happy about that. And I took a few clips, which you've probably seen already. So I grabbed a cappuccino just because it's morning. Right now it's almost 10 o'clock. Let's see the design. So it's better not to open it. Just drink it as it is, don't open it. And then I got and then I got a classic Czech croissant. There's a service. Thank you. Yeah, and there's a service as well. So this is like next level compared to the last trip. So coffee time. Flavor is not bad. It's a bit more. It doesn't have like good quality coffee flavor, but it's okay. Altogether, I paid 60 crown for both these things, which is a bit much. But after our last trip, this is definitely better than nothing, you know, because here you can order, for example, lunch, you can order beer, you can order wine, and I think it can make your journey a lot better. So yeah, time for my breakfast. So now I'm in one of the other second class cabins. So I think here is for people who don't have a seat reservation. So you're gonna end up sitting in here. And the chairs is like one big chair. And then I think it's supposed to sit 3 people from what I see because of the 3 numbers which is on the back. And in here you don't have a power outlet, but you have the ability to control the temperature. You have obviously the blinds, and you can also control the lights. So it's not really one of the more popular cabins because there's less people even in this train sitting here. The majority of people are in the better cabins. I hope you enjoyed the review of the Ceske Drahy. If you want to compare this against Regiojet, make sure you check the video we done on Regiojet. I enjoyed the second ride.
Yeah, so definitely go for the express trains with České Dráhy. I think it's a good one.
If you enjoyed this video, so make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye!